Actually, I gained confidence. Alam ko naman na I can win again. Parang hindi ko alam na ang bilis niyang mangyayari. Best part of my game siguro today. Kasi green sa regulations ko is average lang. But I stayed consistent. I think yung consistency ko today yung nag-work. That's why nahawakan ko yung sa leaderboard. Feel so happy actually kasi this year parang nafe-feel ko na nag-i-improve na yung game ko and I'm actually been waiting for this moment kasi alam ko na I can win again. Last win siguro 2021 in Eagle Ridge. Nag-struggle ako for 3 years kasi I had an injury. And then, kinalakas lang namin siya. Parang bigla lang nag-click lahat. Kaya parang alam ko na nag-improve na yung game ko kasi nafe-feel ko na siya. Yun, nagtuloy-tuloy siya. Actually, I gained confidence. Pero alam ko naman na I can win again. Parang hindi ko alam na ang bilis niyang mangyayari. So, I really just gained confidence. I would like to thank my coach, Coach Bong, Coach Paco, Coach Lee, my boyfriend, my family, and my boyfriend's family. I would like to thank my sponsors also, Singha, ICTSI, Orchard, Golf Depot, and Ping. Sorry. Well, yung sa first shot, para kami na fairway. And then, una kong pumalo, short lang sa green ng mga 12 yards. And then si Sarah, medyo malayo pa siguro, mga 15 to 20 yards. Pagkapat niya na short, pagkapat ko, dumaan lang sa hole. Tapos naiwan ako ng mga 4 feet. And then na-miss ni Sarah yung putt niya. And then napasok ko yung par putt.
Yung multo talaga sa Eco Bill.
Oo. Malapit kayo. Malapit magpalit-palit.
Sir!
Ulit na. Masama pa sa patimbang ko. Sige, tatapay.